Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two incredible robot vacuums from Shark, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum and the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. In this video, we'll compare these two products in various categories to determine which one is the best choice for you. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's get started. Let's begin with the price. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is priced at $599, while the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop comes at a slightly higher price of $699. Keep in mind that the features and capabilities of each product will play a significant role in determining their overall value. When it comes to cleaning performance, both vacuums excel. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum offers incredible suction power, capable of picking up dirt and debris on all floor types. With its self-cleaning brush roll and precision home mapping, it ensures a deep and thorough cleaning experience. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop takes cleaning to the next level by offering both vacuuming and sonic mopping capabilities. It not only picks up dry debris, but also scrubs hard floors at an impressive rate of 100 times per minute. Now, let's talk about the automatic features of these robot vacuums. Both models come with self-emptying bases, holding up to 60 days of dirt and debris. This means you won't have to worry about emptying the dustbin frequently. Additionally, both vacuums have the ability to recharge and resume cleaning, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Moving on to additional features, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum offers hands-free control through voice commands using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It also includes the Shark Clean app, allowing you to set cleaning schedules and initiate on-demand cleaning. Meanwhile, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop boasts CLEANEDGE DETECT, which uses blasts of air and corner recognition to remove debris from edges and corners, providing better edge cleaning. It also features HEPA filtration and an anti-allergen seal, capturing and trapping 99.97% of dust and allergens. For those with furry friends at home, both vacuums are perfect choices. They come equipped with powerful suction and self-cleaning brush rolls, effectively capturing pet hair and eliminating stuck-on pet messes. Based on online reviews, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is highly recommended for homes with hardwood floors. Reviewers praise its performance, efficient mapping, and assistance with allergies. However, some reviewers mention occasional issues with cleaning carpets and the lack of a no-go zone feature in the app. The overall sentiment is positive, with a rating of 4.5 out of 5. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop is praised for its smart mapping, ease of use, and thorough cleaning. Reviewers appreciate the vacuum's ability to clean different floor types effectively. The only drawback mentioned is the monthly maintenance of cleaning the filters. Overall, it is considered a worthwhile addition to any home. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum and the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. While both models offer exceptional cleaning performance and a range of impressive features, the decision ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, this is Buy Smart signing off. Happy cleaning.